the demographic profile information, so as easy as possible. So in the later videos I will describe why these particular demographic information or profile of the respondents were asked. Okay, then see, this is the first independent variable. Okay, these are the independent variables. Okay, so this is the first independent variable. So below are the questions regarding your general perceived risk while purchasing products through online stores. So please circle your suitable response. So one is for strongly not agree, okay, and five is for strongly agree. So I perceive several performance risks while purchasing a product through online stores based on following. So these are the aspects lower in quality than that advertised. So people will deliver their idea about the performance risk, whether they consider this performance risk to be strong enough or not strong enough. So going back, so this is regarding the perceived financial risk, perceived psychological risk. We have this one. So as easy as possible, as much easy as possible you can make. So regarding the respondents' shopping trust towards Malaysian online stores, okay, almost similar wording of the questionnaire. Okay, intention towards Malaysian online stores. Okay, below are the questions regarding your shopping intention towards Malaysian online stores. Please circle your response. Okay, I intend to buy products from Malaysian shopping websites. Okay, so somebody may strongly agree with you or somebody may not agree with you, so it's up to them.
The final subsection related to research design can be ethical considerations. So, according to this person, researchers must ensure that their survey data process is welcomed by society and ethically acceptable to the respondents. I'm just giving you one example that, for example, in Saudi Arabia, the alcohol usage is banned. So now somebody conducting a study, uh, okay, suppose he's taking a bottle of beer in his hand and then going to the public and say to them that I want to know whether you drink alcohol or not. So can you take a sip of it? So this is an example of an unethical study, considering that the society will not welcome this sort of a study in Saudi Arabia. So, okay, coming back here. Therefore, the researcher paid attention to several ethical concerns. So in particular studies, there are not pretty much ethical requirements. That I would not say that this is like there is no ethics required in this study. So but the need is not as precise as I gave you the example of for example the beer and all these other. So okay, first the researchers stated the purpose of the study through a cover letter attached to the online survey. So the researcher would also ensure that the information given by the respondents will be used only for academic purpose and would be kept strictly confidential. So this is important. The researcher also did not ask for the contact details of respondents. Okay, however, the respondents could provide their email address that is optional if they were interested in knowing the ultimate research findings. Okay, in short, the researcher conducted this study according to ethical standards so that it was acceptable to the respondents. In this way, the researcher expected to extract quality data from the respondents. In contrast, unethical research can be ineffective because it is normally conducted in an unethical environment, and people can argue about